Hey Cecile, so I finally had a chance to put together a new task. Same as always, just gonna have the instructions here for you to kind of refer to during the video. We're gonna be working with Deal Machine and then a new website called Foreclosure.com. I'll jump back to the home page here. So this is what it's gonna look like, and you're just gonna go ahead and type in the city that you're gonna be working with. It's probably either gonna be Bloomington and Martinsville at this point in time. So I'm going to be having you doing those two cities right now. So you're just going to go ahead and click search, and this is kind of what it looks like when it pops up initially. What I'm going to have you do is first select Preforeclosure from the listing type drop down here. We're also going to do tax liens, but we'll do them one at a time. Then I'm also going to have you do sort by newest. I think it does it automatically. Just click that to be sure, though. So for the first week, just go ahead and do all 25, but then for the following weeks, there should be 3 or 4 new ones basically every week, and just go ahead and add those. You don't have to add in the whole list, and by putting it by newest, this should help you kind of figure out where that stopping point is. So I did a couple of these already, just actually messed up my first video, but I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste and just kind of show you the gist of it. So this is what happens or when you look at Deal Machine from the map view and you put an address. So this property has actually already been added, and you can see that because it has this little house on it. Like this property has been added as well. And then the little black dots are ones that haven't been added yet. So if it has already been added, just go ahead and click on the property card and scroll down to property tags, and then because I already did this one, it already has the pre-foreclosure on there, but what you would do is click on the pre-foreclosure and then hit save, and then that's it. You're just going to go ahead and back to map view. So I'll find one here that hasn't been added yet. Let me try this one right here. So yeah, this is a good example. So this property hasn't been added yet, so what you're going to do is hit add property down here, and then go ahead and click on the property card, and then come down to edit property tags, pre-foreclosure, and save. And you're just going to go ahead and keep doing that for that entire list. And then once you're done with that, go ahead and switch over from pre-foreclosure in the listing type to tax liens. And this can be kind of finicky, and so you just kind of have to give it a second to switch out, maybe do it once or twice. And now you can see the results have changed, the number here, and it should only be showing tax liens now, and you can see that right here as well. So let me try to find one that I haven't done yet, just a couple down the list here. Go ahead and put that into Deal Machine. And yep, this one hasn't been added yet either, so you're going to go ahead and add the property, pull up the property card, and then go down to edit property tags, and then because we're in the tax lien right now, go ahead and hit tax lien, and then save. So you're going to do that for all 82 of these the first week, like I was saying, and then in the following weeks there should only be a couple for each pre-foreclosure and tax lien. Some weeks there's not going to be any, but I just want you to check it every week, and then you can just go ahead and shoot me an email whenever you do the Deal Machine to skip trace. Go ahead and shoot me an email with confirmation that you've gone through the new foreclosures, and then just kind of shoot me a text, or not a text, email, kind of in that same email with the Deal Machine to skip trace, that if there weren't any new ones this week. So I'll just show you an example. You can just go back to the foreclosure.com and then hit Martinsville, Indiana, and then it's basically just gonna be the same process. I won't really go through all of these right now, but yeah, it's basically the same for each city. So that's basically it, and if you have any questions, just let me know, and I might be adding something to the end of this task to create it into its own separate Excel, but I'll probably decide on that in a couple weeks and just kind of see how it plays out. So for right now, that's all for this task, and yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.